Carburetor removal. Unscrew 2 bolts. Take out the gasket. Keep carburetor in a safe place. Ensure the O-ring is available on adapter. Ensure the O-ring is available on carburetor. Inlet manifold removal. Unscrew 2 bolts. Take out inlet manifold and the gasket. Fan cover removal. Use screwdriver. Remove 6 screws. Unlock the cover lugs. Take out the cover. Gently pull out spark plug cap. Use special tool. Unscrew spark plug. Removal of shroud intake and exhaust side. Remove the screws. Release the interlock. Take out the shrouds. Fan assembly removal. Remove 3 flange bolts. Take out fan assembly. Rotor assembly with hub. Hold the rotor with special tool. Unscrew the nut. Extract the rotor using rotor extractor. Hold it with 32mm open-end spanner. Tighten the extractor bolt using 18mm ring spanner. Fan support cover removal. Remove 4 bolts. Take out the cover. HT coil removal. Remove 2 bolts with plain washer. Take out the HT coil. Stator assembly removal. Remove 2 screws of pulsar coil. And 3 screws of stator assembly. Take out oil pressure switch connection. Pull out the pulsar coil, along with grommet and stator assembly.